Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add products on Hostinger. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger H panel and then just come here to click on edit website. Now if you have a store, then you can go ahead and just edit the website. If you don't have a website, you can just click here on add website and you can just choose Hostinger website builder and give your prompt for a store, right? And then once your store opens up here on the left hand panel, I want you to click here on store. And now you can add products to your store. Even if it's a normal website, you can still do the same thing and add a store as well. This functionality will be available. So you just come here, click on add product, and this is the store manager. You just go ahead and choose how you want to add the product. There's different ways to go about this. You can add a physical product, multiple physical products. The AI will also help you with this. Even digital products are also available, including donations and gift cards. So I'll click here on physical product. You can have a title. You can go ahead and use AI as well. I'll go ahead and upload images for this. Let's say you want to have this bicycle. So I'll go ahead and upload images for this. You can also do one image or multiple. So I'll have one right here. We'll name this one a bicycle right there. You can have a subtitle if you want and a description if you want. Let's say this one is brand new. And then you can go ahead and click on save. Now you just need to fill in all the details here, including the price. Anything with an asterisk you need to fill in. Let's say this one is $50. You just go ahead and do this right here. You can add a category if you want. If you have quantities, you can go ahead and track the quantity as well. And then finally, you can click on save. Now, as you can see, this product will be available in my store. So if I come back here and click on shop, I should see the bicycle. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.